YouTube. Here's just a little update video on my Toyota. Pulled the motor out. I'm gonna start cleaning up the front frame. Get it on, clean up the paint, make it look a little bit decent. Start tubbing the firewall out for these 20s. Gonna be putting a small block Chevy 350 in here. Got a new wall there right there. Hopefully I'll have more updates soon. Here's the inside. Got some nasty old steering wheel on this rig. Got the notches in. Gotta get some 2-link bars for it. Got the fire right there. For y'all that know this sticker, I hate Josh motherfucking Rowland. It's just a joke. I really don't hate him. So don't ask me a million questions why it's on there. There's old motor and transmission. Hopefully I have another update soon. All I can say is peace out. Have fun. It's been a long day. I'm going to bed.